We were outside in the rain. I'm literally
Slightly
wet
wet
now.
Right. So we were out at West Research Campus, which is ECU's campus. That has got a field site where there's an ecological research station that has been ongoing for many years now. And we went there to collect some groundwater data for use for my groundwater hydrology class.
And so the students were trying to get the precise measurement and you were guiding them through?
Right. So one of the things that we talked about in class was the concept of hydraulic head, which is how high water basically rises in a well. And the groundwater level meter measures the depth of the water level from the top of the casing, which is the pipe, to where the groundwater is. And that information is useful for finding the direction in which the groundwater is moving in the subsurface.
And something that an international student told me, he was excited because in Puerto Rico it's not so easy to do those kind of measurements.
So that's interesting to hear that. Part of the challenge, first and foremost, has to do with drilling a well. So you have to have a well drilled. At the field site that we went to, we had 5 wells. In North Carolina, you have to follow state standards to drill a well. So it's not easy just to drill a well and have access to that well. So we're privileged at ECU that we have a number of wells in different locations that we can access for learning and for teaching. And so that's the first hurdle. The second hurdle is having the equipment that you can use. Some of those pieces of equipment are not easy to come by or they're not affordable. But again, we're privileged at ECU that we have some of those meters for the students to use.